Formerly Hubbell Outdoor Lighting, EXO Outdoor Lighting combines innovative technology with practical lighting solutions and performance, servicing the commercial, industrial, electrical distributor, and contractor markets. EXO offers customers quick access to a selection of quality engineered product families which make choosing and installing fixtures fast, simple, and easy. 170 years of combined design, manufacturing, and reliability, coupled with extensive industry-leading testing and certification on luminaire drivers and components designed in-house. Full product line is stocked or quick ship available. In-house capabilities maximize ability to control quality and provide special services to its customers. Wide portfolio, full breadth product line readily available for last-minute projects on tight timelines. Combining innovative technology with practical lighting brand solutions, providing quality value lighting that performs when and where you need it. In stock and ready to perform. EXO products are available for your last-minute jobs, large or small. Need a wall pack or flood for your installation? EXO has you covered. EXO includes Sling product family featuring field switchable wattage and color temperature luminaires, area, site, and roadway, flood lighting and landscape, wall mount, canopy and garage, poles, arms, and brackets. EXO leverages the extensive knowledge of outdoor luminaire design with industry-leading performance, uniformity, and contractor-friendly installation in outdoor lighting applications. Visit us today, www.currentlighting.com/EXO.